Ma Brahmacharini. Ma Brahmacharini is the goddess who is worshipped on the second day of Navratri, the 9-day-long festival in India that marks the battle between the god and evil, be it in the form of goddess Durga versus Mahishasura. It is one of the 9 avatars of goddess Durga. In this avatar, she holds a rosary in her right hand and a kamandal in her left hand. In this avatar, Durga embodies tapa or penance. The name of Brahmacharini is derived from 2 words. Brahma here means tapa or penance, and Charini means an ardent female follower. After she molted herself in the sacrificial fire of the yajna, Durga took birth as the daughter of the king of the mountain. She was named as Parvati. When Parvati grew up, Narada, son of Brahma, paid her a visit. He told her that she did have a chance to marry her husband from her previous birth, Lord Shiva, if she followed a path of penance. Determined to marry Shiva in this birth as well, Parvati embarked upon an extremely difficult regime of penance and devotion. For 1,000 years, she ate only fruits and flowers. Thereafter, for 100 years, she ate only vegetables, followed by 3,000 years of eating only fallen leaves. She slept on the floor of the forest under an open sky for years in order to successfully complete her tapa. Thus she earned name Tapashacharini or Brahmacharini, which means one who follows the path of tapa. The news of such long and hard penance reached everywhere. In the end, Lord Brahma appeared in front of Parvati and told her that no one had observed tapa the way she had. He told her that only she could have undertaken such hardship as her love for Shiva was true and pure. He also blessed her that she would have Lord Shiva as her husband in this birth. Following her penance, Parvati came to be known as Ma Brahmacharini. Later, Lord Shiva accepted Parvati as his wife. Devotees worship Ma Brahmacharini on the second day of Navratri to provide them with the strength and determination to observe the 9-day fast while abstaining from food and sometimes even water. This avatar of Ma Durga teaches penance, devotion, restraint and solitude. It teaches that one should not abandon his or her duties when faced with adversity. Devotees worship Ma Brahmacharini for virtue, peace, prosperity, happiness and nobility.
नवरातों की आई है बहार। चलो रे माँ के द्वार चलो, सजा मैया का प्यारा दरबार। चलो रे माँ के द्वार चलो, द्वार चलो माँ के द्वार चलो, द्वार चलो माँ के द्वार चलो, सजा मैया का प्यारा दरबार, चलो रे माँ के द्वार चलो।
नवरात्रों की आई है बहार, चलो रे माँ के द्वार चलो।
मैया के मंदिर में जोत जलाए, भजन नारियल को भक्त चढ़ाए। मैया के मंदिर में जोत जलाए, भजन नारियल को भक्त चढ़ाए। माँ का प्यारा लगे रे श्रृंगार, चलो रे माँ के द्वार चलो।
नवरात्रों की आई है बहार, चलो रे माँ के द्वार चलो।
ढोल नगाड़े माँ के द्वारे बजे हैं, लांगुर के संग जोगन नचे हैं। ढोल नगाड़े माँ के द्वारे बजे हैं, लांगुर के संग जोगन नचे हैं। जगदम्बे का देखो चमत्कार, चलो रे माँ के द्वार चलो।
नवरात्रों की आई है बहार, चलो रे माँ के द्वार चलो।
पंड पुजारी माँ की आरती गाए, कोई मैया का हवन कराए। पंड पुजारी माँ की आरती गाए, कोई मैया का हवन कराए। आए भंडारा सारा संसार, चलो रे माँ के द्वार चलो।